Everybody, welcome back to this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Duolingo animation not working. So today I will give you the correct solution and the best solution for this problem. Let's do it. So just come and open your settings of your phone and open your apps option. Search for Duolingo and click on it. Click right now, force stop and click OK. Just this. And right now, come here. Make sure that you are not using power saving as I'm doing here, as you see. Turn off it right now and come directly, restart your phone. And after this, you will see that your problem has been solved. As you see, the problem is on your power saving. If you want animation working with you on your Duolingo, don't enable or don't turn on power saving on your mobile phone. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel.